Here in the warehouse, we just put together this Fire Lake complete burner on a stand with a tank built from scratch. So here we have our quick connect. You can pull that off, get the oil line off. We got our bleeder, brand new slide out. You can prime it or run it. Big hydraulic hose for the oil so you can swing the door open.
We got hydraulic hose on the vacuum side too. We got a new gauge in there.
Yeah, you got your level here. You can open that up, dump your oil in. Gauge on the pump for the vacuum. Mount it up nice on a tank.
We weld these brackets on across and then use across. So it just fits right in there.
Yeah. Got a little nipple here to prime. Dump some oil down there. We got a foot valve and a check valve in the tank. Tank's totally cleaned out, basically brand new. Let's run it if it's hot enough. Might not be hot enough.
It's hot. I've had it plugged in.
There we go. Yeah. You gotta open the door. A little smoky. It doesn't have much draft without a flue pipe on it. Yeah, it's running good. It's for sale. How much? Yeah, whole thing. $5,500. Runs on waste oil, obviously. Almost no vacuum there, which is what we want.
Can you hand me the big flathead there?
Right here, all you gotta do is plug the male end into a receptacle. We got our compressor line here that you can hook into your shop air. And then you're ready to roll.